Volcanic hazards are phenomena arising from volcanic activity that pose potential threat to person or property in a given area within a given period of time. Lava flows are stream-like flows of incandescent molten rock erupted from a crater or fissure. When lava is disgased and/or very viscous, it tends to extrude extremely slowly, forming lava domes. Lava flows rarely threaten human lives because lava usually moves slowly, a few centimeters per hour for silicic flows to several kilometers or for basaltic flows. Most characterize this is as quiet efficient of lava. Major hazard of lava flows: burying, crushing, covering, burning everything in their path. Ashfall, temperafall are showers of airborne, fine-to-coarse, grained volcanic particles that fall out from the plumes of volcanic eruption. Ashfall distribution dispersal depends on prevailing wind direction. Ashfall endanger life and property by during peak of eruption with excessive ash, can cause poor or low visibility, driving, slippery road, loss of agricultural land if burial by ashfall is greater than 10 cm depth. Pyroclastic flows and surges are turbulent mass of elected fragmented volcanic materials mixed with hot gases 200 degrees Celsius to 700 degrees Celsius to as hot as 900 degrees Celsius that flows downslope at very high speed. Surges are the more dilute, more mobile derivatives or pyroclastic flows. Pyroclastic flows and surges are potentially highly destructive owing to their mass, high temperature, high velocity, and great mobility. Pyroclastic flows can destroy anything on its path by direct impact, burn site with hot rock debris, burn forest, harm lands, destroy crops and buildings. Deadly effect includes asphyxiation, inhalation of hot ash and gases, burial, incineration, burns, and crushing from impact. The only effects method of risk mitigation is evacuation prior to such eruptions from areas likely to be affected by pyroclastic density currents. Lahars are rapidly flowing thick mixture of volcanic sediments from pyroclastic materials and water, usually triggered by intense rainfall during typhoons, monsoon, and thunderstorms. Lahars have destroyed many villages and lives living on Pinatubo and Mayon volcano because most people live valley where lahars flows. Lahars can bury valley and communities with debris. Lahars can lead to increased deposition of sediments along affected rivers and result to long-term flooding problems in the low-lying downstream communities. Volcanic gases. Gases and aerosols released into the atmosphere, which include water vapor, hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen chloride, hydrogen fluoride. Carbon dioxide, Carbon dioxide and hydrogen fluoride are some volcanic gases that pose hazard to people, animals, agriculture, and property. SO2 can lead to acid rain. High concentrations of CO2, which is colorless and odorless, can be lethal to people, animals, and vegetations. Fluorine compounds can deform and kill animals that graze on vegetation covered with volcanic ash. Ballistic projectiles are volcanic materials directly ejected from the volcano's vent with force and trajectory. Ballistic projectiles endanger life and property by the force of impact of falling fragments, but these occur only close to an eruption event. Signs of impending volcanic eruption. Ground deformation. Some subtitle, in millimeter, ground movements may be detected only by sensitive instruments equipment. Geochemistry, gas, water, temperature. Changes in temperature, water become more acidic. Seismic activity, seismicity, volcanic earthquakes. Increase in number of volcanic earthquakes recorded. Volcanic hazards maps. In the Philippines, we use a system of volcano alert signal to define the current status of each volcano. The alert levels range from 0 to 5. The alert level are used to guide any appropriate responses from the local government units.